Hello everyone, welcome to our teacher app. I am your biology teacher. Today we are going to learn 10th standard biology 3rd chapter circulatory system, that is nothing but blood circulatory system. Circulatory system in human beings is a well developed blood circulatory system. In the blood circulatory system, usually there are three components. One is heart and second one is blood vessels and final one is blood. When we observe in the blood circulatory system first component, which is here heart, when we observe external structure, it is about the fist size. Once fist size it is present, its size. When we see internal structure, it usually contains four chambers. Heart is of four chambered in well developed mammals, that is in human beings, and in the internal structure two chambers are present, upper chambers, and two chambers are lower chambers. Those upper chambers are called as atria and two lower chambers are called as ventricles. And also some walls are present. Those walls in internal structure of heart are right side, there is a right auriculoventricular septum. In between auricle and ventricle of right side, that is tricuspid wall. And when we see left wall, that is in between the atria and ventricle of the left side, that is bicuspid wall. So we call it as left auriculoventricular septum. Here the second component of circulatory system, that is blood vessel. In the blood vessel also there are again some differentiation. There are three components here also. Those are arteries, veins and blood capillaries. When we see the function of arteries, they carry the blood. Here they carry the blood from the heart to the body parts. When it comes to vein, it carries the blood from body parts to the heart. Here when we observe from heart to body parts, it carry oxygenated blood, it carry deoxygenated blood. And when we observe blood capillaries, third one, it usually a connecting link. Some thin capillaries which may connect both arteries and veins, and blood capillaries also carry oxygenated blood from the heart to the body parts. When we observe these three, through the heart, the blood flow enters and leaves in two times. So, in the human blood circulatory system, we call it as a double circulation. In the second part, here blood vessels, there are mainly three components: arteries, veins and blood capillaries. Here this is very important point for your exams, that is in the arteries oxygenated blood is carried from heart to the body parts, and in the veins deoxygenated blood is carried from body parts to the heart, and also from blood capillaries oxygenated blood is carried from heart to the body parts. The third component in the blood circulatory system is blood. Here blood is the main component in the blood circulatory system. In the blood also there are some differentiation of cells. Those are red blood cells, white blood cells and blood platelet cells. It also called as RBC, WBC and blood platelets. When we see RBC, it is usually red in color due to the pigment hemoglobin is present. And here in the WBC, usually WBC boosts our immunity and also it produces some antibiotics against the microorganisms which may cause harmful diseases to human body. And third one is blood platelets. Blood platelets are mainly meant for the clotting or coagulation of the blood when we are injured or wounded. In the circulatory system, cardiac cycle is the main transport of blood into different parts. In the cardiac cycle, there are several steps. The first step is the relaxation of atria and ventricles. While the relaxation of atria and ventricles is done, here blood flows into the atria is the second step. When the blood flows into atria and again contraction of the atria and the blood again enters into the ventricles. First of all, blood flows into atria, contraction of atria is done, blood flows into the ventricles, and then contraction of ventricles is done, and here AV valve is closed. While the AV valve is closed, there is some sound appearance, that is nothing but here lub sound. We know the heartbeat sound is lubbed up. The lub sound is due to AV valve is closed. And final step is here relaxation of ventricles and closing of atrial valve. While closing of atrial valve in the relaxation of ventricles, another some sound is appear, that is the lub sound. These are the lub and dub sound of the heartbeat. This is our cardiac cycle. In circulatory system, the circulation or transportation in the plants. In plants also, some materials like water and food they need to transport to various parts of the body. Further, they do not have well developed circulatory system, but they do have some root cells. Here these root heads are the absorbing root heads which may absorb water, salts and also minerals from the soil. And another one is here root pressure. Through the root pressure, the water molecules or some minerals or salts from the soil, it may enters into the stem part and also finally to the different parts of the body in the plant. And another one is well developed plants contain vascular bundles. Vascular bundles are meant for conduction of water and food. In the vascular bundles, there are two types, xylem and phloem. Xylem is meant for conduction of water and phloem is meant for the conduction of food materials.